Inside the human digestive tract lives a sprawling community of trillions of tiny living organisms. This active, invisible world is the gut microbiome. If we look closely at the exact populations of microbes living here, we find a distinct biological signature. The specific mix of bacteria, their numbers, and the overall diversity of their species belong entirely to you. No two human microbiomes are identical. This individuality begins at birth. The genes passed down from your parents act as a master set of instructions, deciding exactly which native microbes are allowed to settle and build their initial homes in your gut. Because of this inherited genetic baseline, your internal ecosystem grows in a highly specific way, making your digestive landscape completely different from the person standing right next to you. Over time, your daily choices actively mold this environment. Eating fiber-rich foods feeds beneficial microbes, allowing them to thrive, while diets high in processed foods starve them, shifting the physical balance of power inside your belly. As we age, our microbial populations naturally shift and reorganize. Even the geography of where we live exposes us to different local microbes, adding complex new layers to our inner communities. Occasionally, this environment faces sudden disruptions. Strong medications like antibiotics act as a violent storm, swiftly wiping out vulnerable, beneficial populations and creating a long-lasting imbalance known as dysbiosis. With all these factors constantly changing the biological makeup of our intestines, we face an interesting question. If every single gut ecosystem is built differently, how could a single general-purpose bacterial pill work exactly the same way for everyone? When millions of people consume the exact same off-the-shelf probiotic, scientists observe a stark split. Some people, known as responders, experience clear digestive benefits, while non-responders feel absolutely no physical change. This happens because of a natural defense mechanism called colonization resistance. Your native microbes fiercely protect their territory, acting as a living shield that actively blocks uninvited foreign bacteria from moving in and settling down. Without matching your specific microbial individuality, generic incoming bacteria are treated as strangers. They are quickly expelled by your immune system before they can provide any meaningful benefit. To bypass this defensive barrier, a custom approach is required. RychBiome Personalized Probiotics starts by examining a small stool sample to map out your specific microbial landscape. By zooming in on your microscopic residents, next-generation sequencing reads the raw DNA of your bacteria, translating a physical ecosystem into precise genetic data. This genetic information is then used to construct your unique microbial profile, a highly accurate structural map of your biological interior. Looking closely at this map, we can clearly measure microbial diversity, the total variety of species present, and see exactly how well those different populations are balanced. The analysis reveals distinct functional gaps. It pinpoints the exact regions where crucial beneficial helper bacteria are dangerously low or entirely missing. We have taken the invisible, chaotic biology of the human gut and turned it into clear, targeted information. Instead of guessing with a standard formulation, this exact profile data drives a precise selection of targeted probiotic strains. The system identifies specific autochthonous strains. These are native-compatible bacteria, meaning they are biologically built and naturally evolved to survive permanently inside a human digestive tract. These native microbes are selected mathematically to match the precise deficits revealed in your map, systematically filling the biological gaps where your ecosystem needs the most support. Aligning these strains with your specific test results creates a formulation tailored to your biological fingerprint, providing a compatibility built for your individual digestive landscape. When the stabilized custom formula is swallowed, the microbes remain dormant, safely navigating the harsh acids of the stomach until they arrive intact within the intestines. Because these targeted strains were selected to match your specific profile, they bypass the shield of colonization resistance. Your resident ecosystem recognizes them not as foreign invaders, but as compatible helpers. This recognition allows for successful engraftment. The customized probiotics find available space, settle down, and seamlessly weave themselves into your existing microbial community. Once integrated, this thriving ecosystem begins consuming dietary fibers and producing essential health-promoting compounds called short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids act as crucial power sources. They actively repair the cellular lining of the gut wall, aid in daily digestion, and provide vital communication signals to your immune system. Optimal gut health depends on specific biological data. By mapping your individual signature, RychBiome provides the precise support needed to balance and maintain your unique inner ecosystem.